Hey, I'm not lie to you, me I go through it. I just feel so overwhelmed. I don't know, I feel drained and everything. I'm not really talk about them things, you know. I just feel, I don't want to use the word stressed. I want to use that word, but I just feel kind of out of it. So I just want to make you know, because I not plan to drop a video from yesterday. And me I tell you, say, mentally, me just cannot find the strength to sit down and act like say everything good with me. Don't get me wrong, you know. The world now fall apart and everything, but sometimes it can feel that way. Alright now, you know them corny cheesy people, they say the only way out is through. So I just only like my nose ring, by the way. I hope I really like wearing it, but I couldn't get none, but I get that one for cheap. I get that one for $300, so I just buy. But me straight from the point. Yeah, mentally I just feel kind of tapped out right now. Must be about after 8, you know. I just bed and come in, but I just feel so tapped out, and it's like something that's on my mind, but me not even know what it is. Because me there so on simple things me I forget. I go bed and put on my towel and I come in naked. Forget to take out my towel. I say, what the shit this? Just some little things me just forget to do. I say, what the shit that's on my mind? So I don't have a clue, but I just gonna take my little time, like little things like them I always kind of try to deal with by myself, which may not be the healthiest thing, but that's the way I've been. So I'm gonna deal with it, you see me. I hope y'all are good and everything. Hopefully, like how I said this out loud, more would maybe start to feel a little bit better. I'm telling you, last night I not even sleep. I don't sleep last night. Lay down, try sleep now come. So I'm going to watch one show. I start watch House. I don't know House used to come on TV, Jay. Start watch House. Must be boring after 3, I let me I did it. So, and then my after 6 me up again. So I don't know, maybe like how I say it aloud, as me say, maybe tonight when I drop asleep, I will take some time for kind of self-reflect and see if I can really figure out what really about me, because as of now, me telling the truth, I don't know what the shit that. Oh yeah, I say I not really want to go AWOL. Even though I'm not gonna be gone for long. But I not really want to go AWOL, and it's been about 3 days since I drop one video. So I just thought I would come and say what really I go on and everything, instead of missing. I don't want to put my pan a milk box, so I tell you what's going on. I hope everybody is good. Y'all drop in the comments and let me know if you're not good and everything. I want to do during them time. Maybe I can take some of my phone or remedy them. I don't know. I can't eat like a cricket them. So you know when people are country here. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my clothes right now and put Irie to bed right now. Our granny have her. And granny will have to go bed, so I'll put Irie to bed and I don't know, stay up a little bit and reason with myself and things. So y'all expect a video from me. If not tomorrow, by Saturday. But I'm really now go fake it and put on a smile and pretend like everything is good, and me know say right now mentally I'm not 100. So I'm just telling you where I'm at and thing. And move soon. I'm gonna go and pray for me.